I still made $1 million. I still bought 7 cars. I got 7 cars. I got a Lamborghini. I got 2 Lamborghinis. And I'm not trying to brag, but I'm just trying to let you know, based off all those things that I went through, that I put myself through, I still won. I got 2 places to live. I got one in Houston, and I got a bad place in Miami, in a Porsche Tower. It's gorgeous. I got a jacuzzi on my balcony. I bought my parents a car each. I told my parents, don't work ever again. I told them, I said, hey, today's your last day. You'll never have to work another day in your life. Because Wesley Virgin, your son, I'm going to take care of you forever. See, that's what I'm trying to suggest to you, that it's still possible. It doesn't matter, because some of you look at your problems, you look at all your issues, you're like, man, life sucks. I hate my life. Why is it not working, right? That's what you keep saying. How many of you are saying, why is it not working for me? It is working. A lot of you every day, I know, you're consciously trying to raise the bar every day, right? And the problem is you keep looking at the bar. Stop looking at the bar and just get to work. That's almost like trying to plant a tree and every day looking at the tree, waiting for the tree to grow. It won't grow in your eye. Listen, your job, if you ever want to be rich financially, is to focus on the activity and the outcome, not watching and hoping that the bar or the flower is going to grow. Every day you can't say, well, I did this today and tomorrow my life still sucks. Listen, focus on the activity. That's what I do. I focus on the activity. I give value to the world. I give value to you. And I'm not thinking about what's not happening, because I know it's happening. I love you. Smash the like button for me. Get to work. Try it. Listen, if you want me to help you to make $10,000 per month, if you're serious about it. Now, if you're a BSer, don't click that link below. If you're lazy, don't click that link below. If you're a person that just, you haven't made the decision that you're ready to sacrifice some of the debilitating, innovating habits that you have currently right now, don't click the link below. Listen, but if you're ready to learn what you need to learn to be able to create a magical life, baby, and I'm talking about traveling the world, I'm talking about just taking care of your family properly, I'm talking about every day waking up with a smile on your face. You're like, yes, baby, yes, let's go. Is that what you want? You want to experience happiness 95% of your day? I'm your guy. But listen, you got to have a high work ethic with me, baby. You got to be enthusiastic if you want to work with me. I don't care if everything around you is not working. You better have a smile on your face, baby, to work with me. Because that's the name of the game. Attitude is going to determine your altitude in life. I love you. This is Wesley, Billionaire Wesley. Go ahead and like and share this video. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, leg out.